privilege to meet our influencer here, our beautiful and handsome influencer and vlogger, na makita ninyo kung anong ginagawa ng Rising Era Dynasty. No? Basically, we promote organic to all our products. And since we're living in a very highly competitive world na lahat na lang kinakain natin instant, so gusto natin ibalik ulit sa dating organic ang ating mga ginagamit ngayon from tinatanim natin hanggang sa mga essentials na kailangan natin kainin araw-araw hanggang sa ginagamit natin sa balat, gusto natin maging 100% organic. Gusto nyo ba yun, guys?
Yes!
So, I hope guys mag-enjoy kayo until 5 or 6 o'clock. We will be discussing all about the products, the company, and who are the people behind of this company and products, and paano namin ito ginagawa to make sure that our product meets the standard, the highest standard sa market, para maibigay natin sa mga tao at magkaroon sila ng mas effective na result sa kanilang mga products at ibigay. So I hope guys you will enjoy and sit back and relax and enjoy our VlogCon. This is our first VlogCon this 2019, and welcome everyone.
Thank you so much. Now, let's go to our products now. So, to talk more about Go Essentials, please welcome from Nanong side, Ma'am Sheila Tiro and Doktora. Doktora Gwen, ayan, here na.
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. And good afternoon to us, to our visitors, yung mga influencer natin dito. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat, and thank you for inviting us in your conference, vlog conference. So, my name is Sheila Tiro, and I am the CEO of Natural Nutrition Science. I am a biologist, and it's been 15 years that my passion is always to develop and formulate natural products based to the needs of our current life ngayon. So, we have the product here, dito po sa red. We have the Go Green, Go Zyme, and Go Essentials. Those products are actually developed and researched, taking into consideration yan to our modern lifestyle right now, where we are more exposed to toxins, where our products are not anymore well absorbed by the body, and the last, of course, is most of the current food right now, available in the market, actually everywhere, wala na siyang nutrients. Kung meron man siya, it's loaded with toxins. So, we developed the three product, the Go Essential product for red, because we believe that the three major causes of diseases due to unhealthy lifestyle is only the poor nutrition. Again, we go for the nutrition, for poor absorption, and of course, all those toxins and chemicals that we are intaking every day sa buhay natin. So, to give you a very short description about nutrition, we are all aware that all of us, for as long as we are alive, habang tayo ay nabubuhay, we need to eat. Kasi yun ang nagiging foundation natin sa ating energy. And mapabata, matanda, kahit na anong edad, walang pinipili, kailangan nating kumain. Yun ang magbibigay ng kalakasan sa ating katawan. And of course, that's one factor. And then another one is, of course, we also need to assure that the food that we are eating, the table, sa lamesa, kapag kainan, are fully absorbed by the body. So, we all know that different ailments are currently treating doon sa kanyang symptoms but not the roots of the diseases. Alright? And in every day of our life, just go outside or even here, sometimes, kahit saan ka ngayon, we are ingesting toxins. We are eating toxins. We are inhaling toxins. So, kahit na anong lakas ng iyong katawan, kahit na anong sustansya ng iyong kinakain, kung hindi mo siya na-absorb, what is the point of the nutrients? Kailangan natin titingnan yan. So, nutrition, absorption, and then of course, your defense for your daily toxins na nakakain natin. So, we will go back to nutrition. As I mentioned, everybody here, walang nabubuhay dito sa room na ito, o kahit sa labas, na hindi tayo pwedeng kumain. Kaya tayo kumakain, yun ang foundation natin sa ating pagpapalakas, yun ang ating energy, yun ang ating sustansya. At kung may sakit ka, kailangan mo pa rin kumain. Dahil kung hindi, sino mag-absorb, sino magpapalakas ng katawan mo kung puro gamot ang ipapasok. Second, you cannot call nutrients kahit na yan ay yung pinakamasustansya pang pagkain, kung hindi naman siya na-absorb ng iyong katawan, those are useless na pagkain. Kahit na no matter how delicious your food is, or no matter how you may think that your food is not nutritious, for as long as it is not absorbed by your body, you cannot call it nutrients. And then third, every day in our life, we are inhaling toxins, we are eating chemicals, harmful chemicals, who would protect your cells for you to maintain your good resistance. Diba? We have to remember, lahat ng sakit begins with cells. So pag may sakit ang tao, tinamaan na lang yung kanyang kung ano yung organ sa tatamaan. But the thing is, unang nagkasakit ang cells. So, in our essentials dito, yung ating Go Green, Go Zen, and Go Defend will keep you, actually that is the longevity. If you want, or if you want to prevent yung mga malakihan pang gastos na mangyayari sa pamilya natin, you must take the Go Essentials ng red. Right? So, thank you so much, and I hope we can give you one of these days another information, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Ma'am Sheila. And now, may bago po kami mga skincare products. To talk more about it, let me welcome Dr. Martin. From Kaisox University.
Good afternoon. So, skincare is very large subject, but it's also one of the first concern of human being today, because they want to look good, they want to look handsome and pretty, and they want to have healthy skin. The challenge today is when we are outside on the street, the pollution, the contamination, who increase and create faster aging. Look me, I am 25. Do you think I look 25? No, huh? So, is the reality of the urban area is why we did develop new skincare product fit for urban area, 100% organic. We developed the organic product with Pascual Laboratory. Maybe you know Pascual Laboratory. And most important for you, my dear Filipino friends, Philippines is the world first to develop and demonstrate the technology is perfectly working. So with our partner, Red, we offer one totally new line of product from organic soap, sea salt, algae soap, and then whitening, because whitening, I don't know, me, I like to be tan, and then people, they like to be white, so I don't know why. Yeah, it's true. You can see the foreigner, when they come, they stay on the sun like that. Before I do the sun, now I say, wow, how they are stupid, those people, it's so hot. Asian people, they try to avoid the sun, you know. So, because it's different culture. So the most important is what you apply on your skin has to be healthy for your skin. LU body, because you know the skin also absorbs what you apply on it. Our second technology is the anti-mosquito. We are the first company in the world, again, who succeed to integrate anti-mosquito in mass consumer product. Why is important? Because maybe you know, maybe you don't know, every year 5.5 million children die from mosquito disease. Dengue, malaria, chikungunya. It's also big hit in the Philippines. And then it lead to 1.3 billion infection. This is why we integrate anti-mosquito in product every day people buy, like laundry detergent. So today, if you buy anti-mosquito, it's totally separate product. Why? Except business. Yeah, but the problem is the first victim of dengue, malaria, chikungunya, and so on, 11 deadly disease transmitted by mosquito is the poor people. Is the poor people. How can we pretend to protect poorest people when they have to buy X and then they have to buy Z to be protected from mosquito? It's impossible. The people, they cannot afford. In the Philippines and most of the tropical, subtropical country. So we integrate the anti-mosquito in what they have to buy. If they want to buy lotion for the skin, good for the baby, the mosquito is already integrated inside. So it's only one buy, not two purchase. They only buy one product, and then they are protected. And most important for us, for Kaiser's technology, why is only rich people can buy organic? Who they are? This means they are better because they have money. What about the normal people? They cannot afford to buy organic because the cost is mostly the same. The problem is the marketing in Amman. So, today in the society you have a lot of gap between rich people, a lot of injustice, I would say. And now it's also related to food, to what they will eat, to what they will apply to their skin. We disagree. And for some of you who know me already, you know, behind this corporation, this company, we have Derek Ramsey, John Estrada. I mean, we have Filipino public figure. And they totally agree. They say, no, doc, we have to sell cheap because everybody has to benefit of organic people, not only the rich. And here we are, and this is the philosophy of Kaiser's. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Martin Meron, sir. Let's have a short video of Kaiser's. And after that, may raffle po tayo para sa inyo. ako eh. Isa sa pinakagusto ko sa mga events sa ganito, sir. Raffle time! Woo! Please do the honor, sir. Huh? We will be giving out a goatee pen. Friendships, 3,700 coins. Isa ito, SRP. So, yan. Wala dito ha! Sorry. Okay lang po, sir. I will give you the decision kung meron siyang representative, she can get this. Okay. Raylan Castro. Hey! Anita, pakisabi ha. Sure ka naman yung Raylan, kahit wala. Diba? Ayan. Thank you. Paper po, may paper bag yan. Wag pong mag-alala, may kasunod pa yan. Okay, meron pa. Next. Tuloy na muna natin ating presentation. Okay, now to talk about naman our grand event, let me call on Mr. Brian Beauty. Go!
Hello everyone, my name is Brian Beauty, and a little background about myself. Graduate po ako ng Mechanical Engineering sa isang engineering school sa Manila, and I'm working as a business analyst for 10 years now, and I'm also a red brand partner for 3 years. So next start yung business, then it got rebranded, then up until now, I'm still part of the company. So, too much about myself. I'll be discussing Grand Event. So, today, a lot of experts say na vitamins and minerals are very vital para ma-reach yung optimal nutrition. But they also agree that there's also a third nutritional element that is equally important. So yan yung pag-uusapan po natin ngayon. And this third nutritional element is somewhat called, humus. Yan. So ano ba yung humus? Later on, it will be discussed thoroughly by Sir Tony, but partly, humus is an organic portion of soil which remains after millions of years of microbial decomposition. So, hindi ito yung something na pwede natin ilagay sa compost pit. After 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, okay na siya, humus na siya. Hindi po ano. It take millions of years na ma-decompose yung plants and vegetation. Now, merong 3 main components po ang humus. The first one would be humic acid, and doon po tayo focus. The second one would be fulvic acid, and the third one would be humic. So, what is humic acid? Humic acid is a principal component of humic substances which are the major organic constituents of soil, peat, and coal. So, very soluble po siya kapag yung water ay alkaline solution. No? Pagka hindi siya alkaline solution, hindi siya ganun ka-soluble. Now, what does it do or ano yung effect niya sa health ng animals? First one would be on the blood properties. No? It helps to normalize the red blood cells and hemoglobin. Bakit very important na maging normal yung red blood cells and hemoglobin? It's very vital na kapag normal to, normal din yung distribution ng nutrients. Normal yung distribution ng essential minerals sa katawan ng hayop. Kaya pagka normal lahat yan, mas mabilis din yung healing chance. Halimbawa, nagkaroon ng sugat yung alaga nating hayop, yung pet. No? Yung white blood cells, combat kagad yan. Kasi, under siya ng influence ng humic acid. Also, higher po yung percentage ng distribution ng oxygen. Kaya, nagkakaroon po ng state yung alaga natin na tinatawag na euphoria. Na para bang happy siya, para masaya siya, contented siya, no? Hindi siya stressed. So, yan po yung one of the major functions ng
humic acid sa animals. The next one would be mineral transfer. The humic acid acts as dilator, increasing the cell wall permeability. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Pagka na-increase po yung cell wall permeability, mas mabilis po yung mineral transfer from blood to the bone at sa cells. At makikita natin na mas mabilis lumaki yung ating mga alaga. And also, pagka nakita niyo yung cell, ito yung cell binablock niya po yung toxins and minerals. Hindi po yun easily na na-absorb ng katawan or ng cell. Kaya kung makikita niyo sa third slide, it removes the toxic metals from the body. Fourth one would be stress management. Sino po ba ang hindi na-stress sa atin as humans? Wala, no? Mas-stress ka sa traffic, no? Mas-stress ka minsan sa work mo. Mas-stress ka sa party, no? Very stressful minsan. Lahat tayo na-stress. Ganun din po ang mga alaga nating hayop. Ang problem, kapag na-stress sila, hindi sila kumakain. Di man kagaya yan ng tao na kapag na-stress, kakain tayo. Ay, stress ako. Wala akong gana. Pero kailangan kong kumain. No? Yan. Yan ang problem sa hayop. Kasi hindi natin sila katulad na pwede tayo mag-isip na kailangan natin kumain kahit stress tayo, kahit wala tayong gana. Now, ang problem, pagka hindi sila kumain, anong mangyayari sa weight nila? Bababa, no? Tataas ngayon yung production cost natin. Imbes na 45 days para sa broiler, baka maging 46, 47, 48. Sa baboy naman, imbes na 5 months, 4 months, baka tumagal pa lalo. Simply because of stress. So ano ang effect ng humic acid? It blocks or reduces the production of stress-causing hormones. In that way, makapag-facilitate po kayo ng pagpapakain. Dahil mas kalmado yung alaga po ninyo. Next one would be microbial interaction. So, ako na po nagsasabi sa inyo na ang humic acid, hindi po yan antibiotic. But it has an antibiotic effect. Magkaiba po yan, no? Pag sinabing antibiotic, isang agent siya para sa isang sakit, no? Pero pag sinabing antibiotic effect, isang agent siya na pwedeng lumaban sa iba't ibang sakit. Yan po ang antibiotic effect. It exhibits antimicrobial activities and nag-stimulate po siya ng good microbes. It acts as, okay ka ba dyan? Alam mo yan? Probiotic, di ba? Yan. Nagagamit po siya. Ang mga alaga, lalo na yung tinatawag na ruminants, hindi sila pwede basta mag-take na antibiotic kasi mamatay yung good bacteria nila. Magbo-bloat sila, pag nag-bloat sila, patay sila. Sayang yung alaga ng baka. Magkano ang baka ngayon? Yeah. Next would be the effect on immune system. It boosts the immune system, allowing the body to produce CT cells, helper T cells, and suppressor T cells. Mas dumadami po yan, Hindi natin nakikita yan, pero nagkakaroon po yan ng effect sa immune system ng alaga nating hayop. Kaya hindi sila nagiging sakitin. And meron pong mga studies ngayon and research na ginagawa sa katawan sa humans, no? Na panlaban against HIV doon po sa ating reference, kinote ko na rin doon, and nakakapanginig malaman na yung humic acid, yun pala yung ginagamit nila as a research. As of now, kahit ako kinikilabutan ako na i-explain kapag nakikita ko po yung research na ito. Ganun ka-powerful po yung humic acid when it comes po sa immune system. The next one would be on anti-inflammatory properties. So nag-exhibit po siya ng anti-inflammation, Mahalaga po ito lalo na sa mga alaga yung baboy. Kapag yan po inflamed, pinasok po yan sa katayan, sa bahay katayan, at mag-inflammation, rejected na agad yung alaga yung baboy. Sayang naman, Now, it helps po na ma-counter yung inflammation. I have one story po na isang aso, it has an effect on a dog, 1 month na po siya confined sa isang clinic sa Davao. And then, gumamit po siya ng Grand Humidor. After 4 days, nag-regress po yung inflammation. After 7 days, tumayo at lumakad po yung aso. Ganun kaganda po yung aming humic acid, no? As you can see, it increases the tendon strength by 75%. Yan. So, ito din po yung reference. Pwede nyo rin po tignan. Medyo maliit, ano? The next one would be antiviral properties, no? So, ito po yung itsura ng virus na makikita ninyo, no? Merong mga virus na ini-inject sa katawan ng hayop, kagaya sa atin, on humans, no? And yan po yung tinatawag na virus na hindi naman patay, pero wala lang yung kanyang epekto. Yan. Ginagawa po yan para makilala ng katawan natin kung anong klase siya ng virus para ma-counter natin. Now, ang problem po, nagkakaroon po kasi ng spillover. Pag nagkaroon ng spillover, nagpa-antivirus yung ating alaga sa isang farm. Ang problem, pag nagkaroon ng spillover, dadalhin po yan ang hangin papunta sa kabilang farm. Pagpunta sa kabilang farm, nag-mutate na po siya. Masama na siyang virus. Now, pag yan nag-mutate, kawawa yung kabilang farm. Kaya, ang practice, pagka magpapa-antivirus yung isa, dapat alam ng kabila. Now, what happens kapag under the influence of humic acid hayop, no? Ang ginagawa po niya, yung pinaka-internal morphology, yung pinaka-gitna po ng virus, pinapatay po niya, sinisira niya. Kaya kahit nadalhin siya ng hangin, patay na siya pagdating sa kabilang farm. The next one would be liver effects. Yan lang po ang organ na pwedeng tumubo ulit. Liver, as we all know, no? And studies shows na ang humic acid ay merong effect when it comes to regeneration of liver tissues. It increases the liver mass. Yeah. So, when it comes to liver, pwede rin po ang ating Grand Humidor. Second to the last one would be detoxifying properties. Detox. Ang mga tao, we as humans, nag-detox tayo. How about the animals? Kailangan din nila mag-detox. Siyempre, sa tinitake nilang feeds, o kaya naman sa tinitake nila na pagkain, meron yun na toxins and heavy metals. So what does the humic acid do? It acts as a chelator. Chelates, no? How do I explain this? Kunwari ako si humic acid, no? Dumaan ako, I am a chelator. Lahat ng toxins, lahat ng heavy metals, didikit sa akin. Didikit, dikit. Yan ang chelator po, no? Now, hindi lang siya basta didikit. Iko-coat niya po yung heavy metals, iko-coat niya po yung toxins. Pag yan po ay lumabas sa katawan ng hayop na coated, no? Ang effect po ay odor reduction. Kaya pag na-try niyo po yung humic acid, yung Grand Humidor, no? Within the first use, over 65% po ng amoy na poop ng alaga po ninyo mawawala. On the second use, totally wala na. Merong isang farm sa LMZ farm na ginamitan namin, over 120,000 chickens. Sobrang baho po. Kasi ang dami niyang that was 12 penthouse na over 8 to 10,000 na mga bird yung alaga niya, no? Chickens, broiler. Now, gumamit po siya ng Humibet. After ng first and second use niya, wala na reklamo yung kapitbahay niya. Kasi wala nang amoy. Dati, from this distance, hanggang dun sa siguro mga kahit 3 gate, sobrang baho talaga, hindi niya mati. Pero ginawa namin, pumunta kami sa ilalim, inamoy pa namin, wala talaga. So ganyan po katindi, no? Meron pa akong kilala, yung alaga niyang pusa, hindi niya namalayan, nagpupup na doon sa tuwalya kasi wala talagang amoy. Kaya meron kami isang brand partner, 10 alaga niya aso. Sinong mahilig mag-alaga ng aso dito? Kay sir? 10. Nirereklamo na siya ng kapitbahay niya sa sobrang baho ng alaga niya. Pero tinik niya. Tinik ng alaga niya yung Grand Humidor. After that, hindi na sila nagreklamo. So kasi I suggest yung mga nandito, kung hindi nyo pa na-try, it's a must-try product po para sa inyong mga alaga. So yan po yung isa sa mga users po namin ng Grand Umivet for pigs. Pwede po siya. Sa production ng eggs, mas nagkakaroon ng thicker shells and mas nagiging mas malaki yung eggs. Pwede rin po siya sa fish pond. Ayan po yung ating pet owner. So, there. I hope na sa lahat na nandito, matry niyo po yung aming Grand Umivet. It's a must try na masubukan po ninyo. And this is the first time na nag-introduce po yung humic acid para sa animals. That's all.
Thank you so much, Sir Brian. At this point, I'd like to call on to talk about Grand Humus Plus. Former operations manager po ito ng isang malaking drug company. Now, a full-time Red Brand partner, Sir Tony!
Okay, good afternoon. Okay, so this time I'm going to talk about Grand Humus Plus. So, alam naman po natin ang Pilipinas ay agricultural country. And trivia, gaano po kalaki ang Pilipinas? It's about 300,000 square kilometers. And only 32% is being cultivated. Ayan. So, tingnan po natin. So dito, pinagsama-sama na po yung conventional and mechanical farming. Andyan po yung mais, andyan po yung palay, tubo, saging, hindi pa po nakasama din yung mga high value crops po natin. And out of that 32%, according to data from World Bank, eto po siya, 51% of it is being utilized in farming. And only 41% is arable. Yun lang po ang permanente po nating nasasaka. At ang nakakalungkot pong katotohanan, 8% po sa lupa na yan ay unstable. Ito po ay nasasaka lamang po natin tuwing tag-ulan. Minsan naman po, pag sobrang dami ng tubig sa ulan, hindi pa rin siya pwede mapakinabangan. And most likely, pagkatag talaga, wala siya, hopeless. And that's why, pag-usapan po natin, yung pangkaraniwang problema ng ating mga farmers. Number 1, acidic soil. Tama mali? Paano po siya naging acidic? Kasi po, tayo rin ang mismong gumagawa para maging acidic yung ating mga lupa. Herbicides. Pangalawa, pesticides. Pangatlo, fungicides. Hindi pa nakontento, nakatarin na po siya. Dadagdagan pa po natin ng insecticides. Pero po, ang nakakalungkot na katotohanan, eto talaga siya. Synthetic fertilizers. And because of that, tumaas po yung halaga ng ating pagsasaka, pero ang totoo niyan, napakababa na po ang yield na binibigay po sa atin. Why? Dahil nga po yung synthetic fertilizers po natin, tumatagal lamang po